Just a day ahead of US President Barack Obama's visit to India, the national capital has turned into a virtual fortress. Unprecedented security arrangements have been put in place to ensure safe visit of Obama's first US president to be the chief guest on Republic Day function with 7-layer security cover. The security agencies have put Delhi on highest alert with deployment of over 50,000 security personnel and 15,000 CCTV cameras. While a no-fly zone will be imposed during Republic Day parade that will shut down flight operations in 400-kilometer radius, an airborne radar system AWACS will be put in operation to detect aerial threats. For the first time, US Secret Service snipers along with sharpshooters from India's NSG will be posted at all relevant venues. Key South and Central Delhi areas will go into 3-day traffic lockdown to ensure security. Delhi police might ask Delhi Metro to shut down Airport Metro as tracks close to presidential suite in Hotel ITC Maurya is reportedly posing a security threat. While Obama's canine officers in Delhi to sanitize everything in the 100-meter vicinity, his armored limousine, the Beast, has also arrived in the capital. Obama is likely to travel to the parade venue in his car. Intelligence agencies have received input of specific threats during Obama's visit to India. Apprehending possible terror attack in some part of the country, the security agencies have alerted state governments, particularly Jammu and Kashmir, after an IB alert warning that Pakistan might be assisting terrorist infiltration bid into India. The terrorists involved might be from groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba and the Hizbul Mujahideen.
This Republic Day will see congregation of world's most threatened persons, and therefore unprecedented security arrangements have been made. New Delhi has been turned into a fortress. Security forces say arrangements have been planned in such a manner that there will be minimum inconvenience to people. However, at this hour, there is a need to cooperate with the security agencies as they embark upon the daunting task of securing Republic Day celebrations. With camera person Ashwini Helen, Arthur Khan in Delhi for Headlines Today.